Hey guys! Today I want to show you how I've been doing my eyelashes from home. I've been using clear Ardell individual lash glue and Kiss USA lash clusters. I prefer the lash clusters because they're much faster to apply than individual lashes, and what's great is you get a pack of 60, and so when one falls off it's easy to replace. I also like this brand because I like how long and thick these lashes are, and I like that dark color, and I feel that they give me that full 3D look. Also, regarding the Ardell glue I've been using, I find that it lasts 1 to 2 weeks, but you cannot use professional glue from home. I tried it, it's too strong, it stings the eyes like crazy, so you just can't do it. I even tried having a fan to dry the glue faster. Very dangerous, so just don't do it. In saying that though, if someone does know of a DIY glue that's a bit stronger, that doesn't sting the eyes, please let me know. For this video I'm also using tweezers, an alcohol rub and cotton pads to keep everything clean, because it's super important that I'm being careful not to introduce bacteria into my eyes. So I've even washed my hands and everything. I have a really particular technique on how I applied these eyelash extensions, but firstly, before I get into it, I want to just apologize on behalf of my eyebrows and also on the lighting. There was a few malfunctions when I was recording this video, but just go with it. So it might be a little bit hard to see. In the pack there's a few rows of short lashes and then 1 row of longer lashes. Maybe there's 2 rows. But basically there's less longer lashes than there are shorter lashes. So what I did was I used the shorter lashes to form the base or the structure of what I wanted the lashes to look like. And I'll show you a close-up in just a second where you can see that the short lashes, I've spread them out. I used 6 or 7 lashes per eye. That really does depend on how big your eye is though, how many of the short lashes you'll need. But I evenly spread them out along my lash line with a little gap in between each. Once I finished doing that, you can already see that the lashes look quite thick, quite full, which is why, again, I really like these lashes from Kiss, because they're that very black color, and they're quite full and long, and I really like it. After I finished the shorter lashes, I go back in with the longer lashes and I fill in all the little gaps that I left. In the corner of my eyelashes, I use shorter lashes. I don't fill in the gap. With the longer lash, I still use the shorter lash. And that makes the entire shape of these lashes. I hope all that kind of makes sense. So yeah, I'm just finishing up, filling in all these gaps, as I said, with the longer lashes. And in the corner, I fill in the gap with the shorter lash. I'll write out the how-to in the description below, just in case any of it was a bit confusing. Here's a good moment to say, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm just finishing off this eye and then I'll move on to the next eye. So again, here you can see that I'm just spreading out the shorter lashes evenly along my eye, and then again I'll go back in with the longer lashes and fill out the gaps, except for again in the corner where I put in a short lash to fill in that gap to give that short to long eyelash shape. What you can do is, after you finish with this particular technique that I use, using the short lashes, then going in with the long lashes, you can actually use short lashes and press them in on the underneath side of the eyelashes. It's not as hard to do as it sounds. I actually, after I finished this, I did go back in and do it, but I didn't record that. And you would only really do it if you wanted really, really full, thick lashes, which you do already get without doing that. But I wanted to see what it would look like if I used up the majority of the pack in one go. And the result was they turned out even bigger, more dramatic, but when you see these ones at the end, you'll see that they look just as nice as well. So it's really personal preference. And that's it. So with this is with the lashes just along the top line. using that technique. They turn out looking beautiful. You can't really tell that I did them myself and didn't get it done from a salon, and because they're clusters, it was much faster than, you know, getting it done professionally or doing individual lashes yourself at home like some people do. But yeah, I really like these. Let me know what you think. Really easy to use lashes, guys. They lasted about 2 weeks and they were really affordable. I only paid about $20 and I got about 2 uses out of the pack. I'll definitely use it again. The only thing that I would improve about the whole thing is the glue, something that lasts a little bit longer, but you can't really complain. So yeah, that's it. So this is the finished result. Still might be a few spots where there's a couple gaps that I can go back through and add a few more lashes, but let me know what you think of how these lashes look and how they turned out. This literally took me only 20 minutes. They're so easy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.